What's going on, guys? So we got a bit of a different type of video for you today. Today actually marks Brad's 22nd birthday, and I decided to get him a nice little gift. So to give you a bit of a backstory, for the past year now, Brad's been using eye tracking technology, and it's completely changed his life. He's been using my computer here behind me, and the computer that they have for him at the college that he goes to, but he's never actually had his own setup. So finally, a couple weeks ago, he got his own desktop computer at home, but he doesn't have a monitor. So what I decided to do today was to buy him a 24-inch gaming monitor, and I'm sure he's gonna go crazy. I also got him a couple of drinks that are behind me for his birthday, so I'm sure it's gonna be a good night. I'm gonna hide this camera here, and we're gonna see Brad's reaction. So Brad just got here. I'm gonna go downstairs and get him, and we'll see how he likes his surprise. Wait a second. It's kind of weird. Why is my computer in the kitchen? That's a little bit strange. Whoa. Hold on a second here. Why is your computer here? So we're actually gonna have a gaming night, but the only thing is we actually have to pass back and forth the monitor. So that sucks. Or we could use this brand new gaming monitor, dude. 24-inch gaming monitor. Ace this. Yes, sir. Got it for the old birthday, man. Good? Yeah, we're gonna set it up right now. Yes. Got some drinks. Got some Captain Morgan. Some Captain Morgan's in here. Gaming night. Have some birthday drinks.
Am I safe for walking out on us? Oh, or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Oh, luck was not enough. I opened my eyes. Tonight I feel like waking to life. Tonight I feel like waking up. Tonight I feel like waking
Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's birthday surprise. I think it's safe to say that Brad had quite the time here. And we also wanted to take this time just to thank you guys for all the support you've been giving us. With all the Facebook donations, the likes, the shares, and all the extra love. So thank you guys very much, and we appreciate that you decided to join us on this journey to make this world more accessible. Thanks guys.